If you're meeting me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Rose, and I'm here to take you on programming from the beginning, especially those that are starting their programming journey from the beginning, those that are learning how to code, those that are maybe in the computer science area that are just starting from the scratch. So I'm here to start your own project, to start programming normally, properly as a programmer. So that's why I'm here to take you on that journey. So if you're seeing this for the first time and you're interested in this video, please, I want you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up so that whenever I post video like this, you'll be the first to us to get the notification and you watch and benefit from it. So today, like I said in the previous class, that we are going to take on Python today. Basis of Python, the definition of Python, the uses of Python, each and every one of it. We are going to look into it in details. So if you're before I forget, I told you that at the end of every of my class, there are going to be questions. I'm going to be asking questions that that can boost your knowledge, questions that I pick mainly those questions from what I'm going to teach you, so that you will not forget it. It will be permanent in your memory, in your head. So that's why I organize those questions specifically for those that will be watching this video to the end. So like I said, subscribe. So let's dive in. Let's not waste much of your time anymore. Let's go straight to the point. Thank you. Okay, like I said generally from the beginning, that Python is one of the most user-friendly programming language that we know. So we have known what programming is, we have known what they are used for, what programmers do. So like I said, the first programming language we are going to is Python, and I choose Python basically because it is user-friendly. And from beginners like us, it is the best choice for us because the syntax is simple. It has the most than all the other programming language. It is user-friendly. It's very simple to use. Since you have no other, so we are going to continue. What exactly is this Python and what are they used for? What is Python used for? Python is a general purpose programming language known for its simplicity and ease of use. This ease of use has made Python the most popular programming language in modern times. Python is used in many fields like data science and machine learning, web development, scripts and automation, embedded systems, IoT, and much more. So Python is used generally for many things. So you cannot cut it down that, if I learn Python, I will not be able to do this, or I will not be able to do that. It's not that you're not going to learn other things. You're going to learn other things, but the starting point is from Python. So Python is the main language that most data scientists and machine learning engineers currently use. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy make data analysis less tedious, while others like TensorFlow and Scikit make machine learning and working with AI model much more accessible. In web development, Python frameworks like the Django, Fast API, and Flask let developers build a scalable and secure back-end systems with minimal effort. Many social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest use Python on the back end. So like I say, you can see that Pythons are used for almost many things. It can also be used as cyber security professionals and ethical hackers use Python to detect vulnerabilities like malware and other viruses, build automated security scans, and analyze threats. Python runs well on microcomputers like the Raspberry Pi and MicroPython compatible boards. So you can build all kinds of IoT projects like smart home device, weather monitoring stations, and more. Python is widely used in DevOps for writing CI/CD scripts and managing infrastructure across development pipeline. It is also commonly used to build back-end service and internal APIs. In software testing, Python tools such as PyTest are used to create reliable test suites, while system administrators rely on Python for server monitoring, log management, and system-level tasks. Finally, one of Python's biggest strengths is automation. You can write simple scripts to help you with repetitive tasks like extracting data from spreadsheets, sending emails, and working with files on your local machine. Libraries like Selenium and Beautiful Soup also make it easy to interact with websites. So you can scrap public data, automate tasks through a web UI, and even manage cloud development for your projects. As you can see, Python is a very powerful language, and yet it's easy to learn. From simple automation script to large-scale industrial level applications, you can use Python for just about anything. Python is a great choice for anyone who wants to learn programming, regardless of what they choose to specialize later. So you can see that Python is used for so many things, and the beautiful side of it is that it is user friendly, it's beginner friendly. So the syntax is simple for all users to use. So with us knowing the major use of Pythons and everything, so I don't like the situation whereby I'll be taking many things in one class. So like I say, at the end of every of my class, there are going to be questions. So these are the questions related to what this particular place that we have gone through. So please do well to go back to the readings if you don't understand anything about the questions. Go back, read it, and answer your questions. So we are going to go directly into the questions. Question 1. From the reading, which libraries are commonly used for data analysis in Python? Which libraries are commonly used for data analysis in Python? A. Pandas and NumPy. B. TensorFlow and Scikit-learn. C. React and Vue. Then D. Django and Flask. Which one is what? Which libraries are commonly used for data analysis in Python? So think it through and give me your answer in the comment section. Why? So we are going to pick Pandas and NumPy. Pandas and NumPy is the library that are commonly used for data analysis in Python. So second question, how is Python used in embedded system and IoT? How is Python used in embedded system and IoT? Think it through. What could be the answer? Number 1, it powers game engines for VR development. 2, it runs on microcomputer like Raspberry Pi and compatible boards. C, it is primarily used for designing UI components. D, it replaces low-level language like C in all cases. Which one could be the correct answer? Drop your answer in the comment section. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. How is Python used in embedded system and IoT? A. It powers game engines for VR development. It runs on microcomputers like Raspberry Pi and compatible board. It's primarily used to design a UI components. It replaces low-level language like C or in all cases. So, what is the answer? What answer did you pick? So, we are going to pick compatible. Okay. We're going to pick it runs on microcomputers like Raspberry Pi and compatible boards. So, in case you might be asked outside, what is Python used for? You can relate to the questions, to what you have gained, and give your answer to that person. Question 3. Which Python frameworks are used in web development? Which Python frameworks are used in web development? 1. React, Virgo, Angular. 2. TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. C. NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Then D. Django, Fast API, Flask. What is the correct answer? Which Python frameworks are used in web development? 1. React, Virgo, Angular. TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. That's C. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. D. Django, Fast API, Flask. I am going to choose Django, Fast API, Flask. We can go ahead and check our answers. What is the correct answers? Okay, correct. Django, Fast API, Flask. Good. Okay, correct. It runs on microcomputer like Raspberry Pi and compatible board. Okay, correct. Pandas and NumPy. So you can see that the true question that answer is correct. So what is your own answer? We have come to the end of today's lesson. Please do it by subscribe. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to get the notification. Have a nice day. Thank you.